how to edit pages on iPhone. So it's real easy to edit your pages on your iPhone, and the pages are the pages that you have on your phone as you're swiping left and right to get to all of your apps. But it's easy to reorganize them or rearrange them if you want to. So all you have to do is click on empty space on your iPhone, just the same as if you were to move apps around, get rid of apps. It's real easy to do. So what you want to focus on is going to the edit button at the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and click that. And what you're going to do is the same options that you normally would have, but now you have what's called edit pages. So from here, what we can do is you can either get rid of pages, you can reorganize them if you want, just like you would for your apps. Go ahead and move them around, and then once you're done, go ahead and hit done, and they'll be in that new spot. So we can go ahead and rearrange these if we want to, any order that you want, and you can go in and actually get rid of some of the pages as well. If you just want to condense apps and not have a lot of pages, it's real easy to do. And that's it. That's how you would edit pages on iPhone, and then you just hit done, and everything's fine.